Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about a different approach to getting a divorce. It is called a collaborative divorce process. I want to talk to you about this because I am a big proponent in coming to agreements between my couples when they come to see me for divorces. Because I feel that it's best for the couples to have more control of the outcome of their particular situation. They have more control over this as opposed to a judge making decisions about their future when this judge does not really know the complete dynamics of their family situation. Before I get started on this topic, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other topic in family law and wish to discuss with me, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So moving on to a collaborative divorce. What exactly is that? What does that mean? Simply put, a collaborative divorce is just an alternative method used to resolve the issues between parties in a divorce. It is a voluntary process which does not include litigation, but rather it aims to find solutions, to reach agreements and resolve disputes through mediation, private and confidential negotiations. These negotiations are held by the parties, by their attorneys, and possibly by third parties such as child psychologists, specialists, and financial planners. The settlement meetings that are being conducted will be held in an informal setting rather than in a courtroom. There are 3 steps for you to be able to do a collaborative divorce in Nevada. The first one is that all parties, including the attorneys, must sign a written agreement, a written contract at the beginning of the case. Then a plan is laid out between the parties and the attorneys as what and how they're going to approach the issues. After that, the meetings will be held between the parties and their attorneys in an attempt to negotiate and settle those issues. And once an agreement has been reached, one of the attorneys will then put that agreement in writing, file it with the court, and it will be filed as an uncontested divorce. It's a very simple process, but what I like about it the most is that the parties are in charge. The parties have more of a say in how and what their agreements will be, and there will be no judge intervention. You'll have more control over your future, and you'll be able to make more decisions about your family, which you understand most and more than a judge does. One thing I do want to caution you about that even though it is not an adversarial process, it's important to have an attorney well knowledgeable in divorce matters to represent you. Because there is no judge, you want somebody who's knowledgeable in the topics of divorce so that your interests are being well represented. If you have questions again about this topic or any other topic in family law, go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. As always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will speak to you next time.